Atkins Civil 3D video series, Road 3C, Centerline Design Profile, Primary Road. This video illustrates A. Default Centerline Profile Settings, B. Create Primary Road Design Profile, C. Insert PVI Station and Elevations, D. Select appropriate profile views, E. Insert vertical curves, F. Add profile labels, and G. Add temporary plan station offset elevation labels. Change the default drawing object layer, settings, right-click drawing name, edit drawing settings, object layers, profile, pick the existing layer, scroll down to See Road Profile, OK, profile labeling, pick the current layer, scroll down to See Road Text, OK. OK. Change the default profile settings, right-click profile, edit feature settings, default styles, profile label set, pick the current label set, pick profile label set centerline, OK, profile style, pick the current style, select centerline profile design label, OK, default name format, profile name template, pick the current template name, remove portion of the existing label, add CL, OK, OK. Create the design centerline profile for Ken Crown. Pick a profile view grid line. In the profile view context sensitive ribbon that is displayed, pick the profile creation tools icon. The alignment is Ken Crown. The name, profile style, profile layer, and profile label set are as previously set in the default. OK. The Profile Layout Tools dialog box that is displayed contains all the tools required for the design and modification of profiles. The most commonly used icons are Draw Tangents Without Curves, Insert PVI, Delete PVI, Free Vertical Curve Parabola, Insert PVIs Tabular, Raise Lower PVIs, Copy Profile, and Profile Grid View. For this video, the Kincaid Centerline PVI data from the Kincaid Improvement Project is used to create the Centerline profile. Select the Insert PVIs tabular icon. Input the station and elevation data for each PVI, 1450, 459, 0.56, 1575, 457.96, 3850, 449.99, 3950, 450.63. When finished, depress OK. The Centerline profile is displayed in all three profile views. Use Prospector to remove the display of the Centerline profile in the left and right profile views. Prospector, Alignments, Ken Crown, Profile Views, right-click the left profile, Properties, remove the check mark for the centerline, apply, OK. Right-click Ken Crown right, Properties, remove the check mark for the centerline, apply, OK. If the Profile Layout Tools dialog box is not displayed, pick the Centerline Design Profile. In the context-sensitive ribbon, Modify Panel, pick the Geometry Editor. An alternate method is to pick the centerline profile, move the cursor away and right-click, pick Edit Profile Geometry from the drop list. Insert vertical curves into the centerline profile. Select the arrow symbol to the right of the curve icon. Pick Free Vertical Curve Parabola. Pick the tangent line on the left side of the PVI at station 16 plus 75. Pick the tangent line on the right side. Enter 50 for the length of the vertical curve. Enter. It is desired for the length of the vertical curve for the PVI at 30 plus 15 to be 130 feet, with the BVC being at station 29 plus 50. This is also the EVC station of the 200-foot vertical curve for the PVI at 28+50. Civil 3D will not allow the coexistence of this BVC and EVC. To compensate for this, the length of the vertical curve for the PVI at 30+15 is set to 129.9999 feet. Input vertical curve, select the tangent, select the other tangent line, 129.9999. Enter. The labels currently shown in the profile are profile labels as compared to profile view labels that are created after the profile is created. To modify the current profile labels, right-click the profile label set, edit. To remove a style, pick the current style, depress the Delete X button. To add a style, select the type, crest curves, select the style from a drop list, VC Station Elevation Centerline, depress Add. To modify a style, select the icon to the right of the style, select the Modify icon, make changes to the general, layout, drag state as desired, depress Apply, OK. After the changes are made, depress Apply to incorporate the changes into the current profile. OK. The Add Labels icon is used to create profile view labels in the drawing. The Add Labels icon in the Annotate ribbon contains a top and a bottom part. Most of the time, the Add Labels in the Context Sensitive ribbon contains only a single part. The top part of the icon allows flexibility in the selection of the feature, type, and styles associated with a label that is not available in a single part icon. When creating labels, it is generally best to use the icon in the Annotate ribbon. Create profile name labels, Annotate ribbon, Add Labels icon top part, feature, profile view, label type, station elevation, style, name Centerline profile, marker style none, add. As prompted, pick a profile grid line for the profile view. Station, pick a point on the profile where the label is to be added. Pick profile a second time. Pick profile a third time for the component. Depress the escape key to clear the command. Move the label, pick the square grip. Move to a desired location. Use copy command to make copies of the label. CO enter. Pick the label. Pick the base point. Move the label to a desired locations. Depress the escape key to clear the command. For this portion of the video, the plan view is shown on top and the profile view on bottom. Create temporary alignment with elevation labels that will be used later in the design of the side road profiles. Annotate ribbon, add ribbons icon top part, feature, alignment, label type, station offset, fixed point, label style, temporary centerline station elevation grade, marker style, none. Pick the add button. As prompted, select the Kincaid Centerline Improvement. With Snap-On, pick the centerline intersection of Kincaid with the side road. For the elevation component, pick the profile. For the grade component, pick the profile a second time. Without depressing the escape key, pick additional side road intersections. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.